How can we create ultimate personalization without losing sight of communal goals?
It's about bringing people together physically, because we feel that the virtualization era that we're in disconnects us from the human relationships, connections that the human basically needs. We like to create entertainment that brings people together physically.
I think tailoring or customization is being driven by the customer. We are used to these bespoke experiences online through the algorithms that are driving the way that we interact with media. And now we're expecting that in the real world, whether it's our experiences, our products, you name it. There needs to be a way to think about how emergent technology can drive relevancy, but importantly ROI for the business. That we need to think about being human first and technology second.